Hello students. Today we will study the topic population and transport system of India. This topic helps us understand how population characteristics and transport and communication systems influence the overall development, unity and progress of our country. Population refers to the total number of people living in a country at a particular time. It is an important resource because people produce goods, provide services, and contribute to the economy. However, population also requires food, shelter, education, healthcare, and employment. Therefore, population size directly affects development planning. India has one of the largest populations in the world, but population is not evenly distributed across the country. Some regions are overcrowded, while others are thinly populated. This uneven distribution depends on physical features, climate, water availability, soil fertility, industries, and job opportunities. The northern plains and coastal regions are densely populated. These regions have flat land, fertile soil, regular water supply, and favorable climate. Agriculture, industries, ports, and cities provide employment opportunities. As a result, people prefer to settle in these areas, leading to high population concentration. The Himalayan region and the Thar Desert are sparsely populated. These areas experience extreme cold or heat, difficult terrain, and limited resources. Transport facilities are poor, and economic activities are few. Due to these unfavorable conditions, population density remains very low in these regions. Population density means the number of people living per square kilometer. It helps us understand how crowded a region is. States like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal have high population density due to fertile plains and large rural population. Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh have low density because of mountains, cold climate, and isolation. Population growth refers to the increase in population over a specific period. In recent decades, India's population growth rate has slowed down. This is due to improved education, awareness about small families, better healthcare services, and government family planning programs. Still, population growth remains a challenge. Three main factors affect population growth. Birth rate increases population size. Death rate reduces population size. Migration changes population distribution between regions. Improvement in medical facilities has reduced death rates, which has contributed to population increase, especially in developing regions. Population composition refers to the structure of population based on age, sex, and literacy. It includes children, working age population, and elderly population. A large working population supports economic growth. Sex ratio varies across states, and rising literacy rate improves skills, productivity, and living standards. Migration is the movement of people from one place to another for temporary or permanent settlement. In India, migration may be rural to urban, urban to urban, or seasonal. Migration affects population size, employment, housing, and public services in both rural and urban areas. People migrate for employment, education, marriage, and better living conditions. Natural disasters such as floods, droughts, cyclones, and earthquakes also force people to migrate. Migration helps reduce poverty and unemployment in rural areas but creates pressure on cities and urban infrastructure. Transport plays a crucial role in the development of India. It connects villages with towns and cities and links producers with markets. Transport supports agriculture, industries, trade, administration, and national defense. A strong transport system promotes national integration and economic growth. Roadways are the most widely used means of transport in India. They include national highways, state highways, district roads, and rural roads. The Golden Quadrilateral connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, improving connectivity. Railways are suitable for long distance travel and transport of heavy goods at low cost. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport and are ideal for carrying bulky goods. Inland waterways like the Ganga and Brahmaputra are important for transport. Seaports handle international trade. Airways are the fastest means of transport and are used for emergencies, defense services, and remote area connectivity. Communication systems include postal services, telecommunication, internet, and satellite communication. Transport and communication promote trade, tourism, agriculture, and disaster management. However, challenges like traffic congestion, pollution, and poor rural infrastructure still exist. Improving these systems is essential for balanced and sustainable development. That is all for today, students. Jai Hind.